The Bella Vista RV family truly cares about you and your home away from home. We carry and service a vast selection of top-quality trailers and motorhomes that will fit every lifestyle and every budget. Visit us online to see Bruno's ever-popular RV walkthrough videos.
Ceramic tiles throughout.
We're 10 minutes north of Barrie on Highway 11.
Hello, my name is Joshua Heverling. I'm with Cruiser RV. Today I'm here with the 277 BHS bunkhouse. This unit is 32 feet 10 inches long and comes in at 6,500 pounds. The 277 BHS sleeps up to 9 people. Let's go look at some of the other features. We're here at the 277 BHS outside camp kitchen. There's a few items here I'd like to show you. The first one is our Suburban griddle. Great for making bacon and eggs and all your breakfast that you love. We also have a high power pressure spray port here. We've added that because we've gotten rid of the small sink that we used to have here. We've created some area here for storage, and we also have a wonderful outside refrigerator. We're inside the 277 BHS with the double over double bunks. One of the first things you'll notice is the integrated ladder. We also have the wonderful soft touch teddy bear bunk mats with the plywood base. Plywood base is what allows us to have a 275 pound max weight rating. And we also have LED lights with integrated USB ports so your kids or friends can charge their devices. The other thing you'll notice is we have true night shades in the windows. Last thing, the wonderful privacy curtain. The 277 BHS is a family oriented unit. Inside the slide out you'll see trifold hide-a-bed sofa that sleeps 2 people. You also have the oversized dinette that also sleeps 2 people as well, with your storage underneath each dinette. You'll notice the overhead cabinets for storage and the night shades all the way through. The 277 BHS comes with a standard entertainment center with a 40-inch television with a backlit display. You have an AM/FM CD DVD player and all your power controls right here. You also have a little area here for storage, even a little toe kick to store your shoes. In the kitchen in the 277 BHS, you'll notice an undermount stainless steel sink with a large cutting board. You have a raised faucet, thermofoil countertops with full extension ball bearing drawer guides. Another thing that's really nice to extend your countertop is the bifold range cover. The glass bifold range cover actually doubles as a true backsplash to protect the rear wall against any grease while cooking. You also come standard with a 10 cubic foot refrigerator with a quick cool. We're in the master bedroom of the 277 BHS where you'll see we have a king bed standard. We also have wardrobes on both ends of the bed along with overhead storage above. Another thing you'll notice is our king bed slide system. It's patent pending, and what makes it so great is I can take this king bed and move it all the way over to this side. So that way if I need to sit down here, take off my shoes, put on my pants, I have all the room in the world to do so. And the one last area we have here are 3 drawers for more storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us on our website at cruiserrv.com.